Hey guys, I'm Aaron, and this is my bike check. The fucking car's on the street. Fuck you. Well, I've got some demo Wise grips. They're really old and beat up, but these are actually pretty good grips. I had these since like May. I got them for free from Southbridge Bicycles because they're awesome. And I got S&M slam bars. These bars might be really heavy, but they're fucking tough. I love these bars. And I got a Fit DLD stem. This stem's seen some miles. Thing's awesome though. Never slipped once. And then Odyssey fork bolt. The 6 got stripped out because it's really shit. So I have to use the Gay 8. I got a headset. I don't even know what kind it is. It spins out really well. And yeah. Then I got Odyssey Classic Race Forks. I do not suggest getting these forks whatsoever. They're bent. There and there. These are garbage. $130 wasted. They're just junk. And they got a dent in them. Which is bullshit. And then, got an Odyssey peg here. And a demo dump truck on the other side. Then I got a stolen revolver front wheel. And a Haro front tire, which is actually really good. I really like this tire. No complaints. And my frame is Sunday Second Wave 20.5 top tube. It's got a couple bit of writing on it. It says "fuck off" there. Suck me. Somehow cream made its way onto it. People ask me if this is a reusable frame, but it's pretty obvious it's not. I got the wave down tube, which I really like about this frame. This frame, it's just awesome. It's got the wishbone chainstay, which is awesome. Super thick dropouts. This frame might be old, but it's really good. No complaints. I got a shadow seat. Not very comfortable. It's ripped up, beat up, and all that good stuff. Had a Primo post. I think it's Primo at least. This seat clamp, it's either DK or Sabrosa. I'm not 100% sure. Then Odyssey MDS sprocket, 28 tooth. Then I got the Colony cranks that I got from my friend Ryan in a trade. These cranks are extremely good. No issues, besides that there is a dent right here, so I can't get the right crank arm off. And this arm all over here, I'll show it to you at the end, but it's all damaged up and whatnot. But these cranks are amazing. Go buy them. I got some Odyssey twisted pedals, which are always good. Yeah. And then KMC chain. I think it's the 410. But I've had this chain since August of this year, and my friend had it on his bike since October of 2009, so this chain's old. Then my back wheel, which is my favorite part of my bike, is Alienation Rush version 2 Free Coaster Hub with chrome vocal spokes and one black Odyssey spoke. And then it's Sun Kingpin rim, which is good. I hand lace this wheel myself. This wheel has had no issues at all. Then I got Odyssey Pack tire, 2.10 I believe. And this tire is really old too. No issues besides like it's got a rip in it somewhere from a piece of glass. But I patched that up with some tape on the inside. Excuse me. Then that's just an animal peg. It's really old, but it works. And I think I got everything. Well, it's got a Colony bottom bracket. And yeah. Looks like everyone likes small trucks now. It's gay. And, yeah, it's just some pedal damage from grinds. And that's the arm. As you can see, it's really fucked up. But these cranks are so good. No issues whatsoever. Besides that they come loose, but that's normal stuff. But I'm done rambling about my bike now. So, I'm just gonna go.